Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about a few Spanish phrases using the Spanish word frente. Frente. Okay, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. If you would like to get a membership on this channel and help this channel continue creating more and more lessons and also to take advantage of the great perks that this channel offers, please just take a look at the memberships. The information is here or here. And they're all different. They have different perks and they're pretty awesome. Okay, let's get started. The Spanish phrases that we will learn are very, very commonly used in Spanish. And they're all using the Spanish word frente. Do you know what frente means? Frente means a bunch of things. It means forehead. It means something is in front of you. Frente. And those are the most common meanings of frente. But yeah, it has quite a few meanings. And today we're going to see how using frente in different phrases, the meaning changes, everything changes, and you will see how interesting this is because you might think, oh, this phrase is talking about this peculiar thing, but the meaning is completely different. Okay, so let's get started. The first phrase is frente a. Frente a. This means in front of. Frente a. And let's see an example using this phrase. La casa está frente a la biblioteca. La casa está frente a la biblioteca. This means the house is in front of the library. We can see that frente in this situation means in front of. Frente a. So it's important to remember to add the letter a after frente. Frente a. So it's wrong to say la casa está frente la biblioteca. It sounds incomplete. We need this letter here to make it sound complete, something that makes sense. La casa está frente a la biblioteca. The house is in front of the library. Okay, let's see another phrase. De frente. De frente. This is a common phrase and it means frankly. When you say something frankly, when you express yourself frankly. Okay, so that's very, very, very good to know. Te voy a decir algo de frente. Te voy a decir algo de frente. This means I will tell you something frankly or honestly. You know, you're going to say something honest to someone. Te voy a decir algo de frente. I will tell you something frankly. You can see that the phrase is at the end of the sentence, and this phrase is mostly at the end of sentences. Te voy a decir algo de frente. So I'm not hiding, I'm telling you right in your face, in front of you. So that is very, very, very interesting. De frente, when you add this little word, short word, you can see that the meaning changes. De frente means frankly. Okay. Frente a frente. Frente a frente. Right? Face to face. This literally means forehead to forehead, but yeah, it doesn't make sense in English. Face to face, okay? Frente a frente. Tengamos una conversación frente a frente. Tengamos una conversación frente a frente. This means let's have a face-to-face conversation. You know, if you don't want to be on the phone talking about some situation, you can tell the person, tengamos una conversación frente a frente. Let's see each other. Let's have a face-to-face conversation. Nowadays, that's very, very difficult to do, but this is a very common Spanish phrase that you can use for sure. Frente a frente means face-to-face. Okay, now let's see one more phrase. Al frente de. Al frente de. This means in charge of. Okay, in charge of. When someone is in charge of something. So let's see an example. Miguel estará al frente de la compañía. Miguel estará al frente de la compañía. This means Miguel will be in charge of the company. Al frente de, in charge of. Frente in this phrase means in charge of. When you use this word and this word. Al frente de. Al frente de la compañía. In charge of the company. Okay? So that's another interesting phrase. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Frente doesn't have only two meanings. It has many meanings when you use frente in different phrases. So that's really good to learn in Spanish. That will help you understand Spanish better. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Every time I upload a video, visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Also, if you would like to get a membership on this channel and obviously learn more Spanish through that, please take a look at the memberships. There are 3 of them. They all have different perks that will help you learn more Spanish, of course. Okay, you can also support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.